Ten Best Picks presents the top 10 best ergonomic keyboards. Starting at number 10. Logitech Ergo K860. This latest ergonomic workhorse from Logitech has pulled out all the stops. Featuring much of the tech used in their vaunted wireless MX Keys keyboard, the MX Ergo K860 looks set to become the front runner for wireless workplace keyboards. The split layout of this particular keyboard can present a slight learning curve for users who aren't fluent touch typists, but is easily one of the most comfortable and sleek keyboards available. The keyboard has both Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz connectivity for either Windows or Mac OS and can reportedly operate for up to 2 years on just a single pair of AAA batteries. The long battery life is certainly a plus, but the lack of backlighting is a bit of a drag. The K860 features an integrated wrist rest that is among one of the most comfortable we've used. While it does provide excellent support and is something of a necessity with ergonomic keyboards, the inability to separate the wrist rest from the keyboard itself could present a problem if it ever wears out, forcing you to buy a new unit altogether. For more information and price, check out the product links and description underneath the video. At number 9. Microsoft Ergonomic. You really can't go wrong with this handy little power performer, according to verified reviews. Customers say it has the ideal shape for keeping wrists neutral and for preventing fatigue. Like other models direct from Microsoft, this one is ergonomist approved. Users with issues like carpal tunnel syndrome, ganglion cysts or RDI all say this keyboard helps keep them comfortable. The overall keypad for each hand is compact, but keys are ideally sized and lined up, buyers say. Characters are white on black and are easy to see while typing. You'll also love the built-in shortcuts, according to reviews. Type, emote, and crunch numbers quickly with less strain. Many keyboards offer wrist rests, tilt adjustments, and other accoutrements to improve ergonomics, but few go as far as Microsoft's ergonomic keyboard. This board is split in half like a parting Red Sea. Number 8 of my list. Perixx Periboard 406. Verified users like that you buy this as a complete set. It comes with a detachable base, one-piece keyboard and a state-of-the-art mouse. While the keys are ergonomically spaced, this keyboard is a mini. It measures just 13.8 across the top border. It's also vertically slim, making ideal for work, travel or school. The mouse is vertical too, something that verified reviewers say they find to be a real improvement over other sets. Press on the side and keep your wrist aligned ergonomically. It has silent click responsiveness. The keyboard has 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity. Easily set up for Windows versions 7 to 10. Just plug and play. The unique shape of this keyboard means less strain on wrists and fingers, according to enthusiastic reviews. It's split, with left and right sides angled to accommodate how your hands naturally lie. Coming at number 7. Microsoft Natural. The classic design of this convenient model has been approved by ergonomists, according to Microsoft. Verified customers agree that it keeps hands in a great placement. It has all the hotkeys and buttons you need for Windows use, verified reviews say. The keyboard works best with Windows version 7 and up. The keyboard waves from left to right and slightly up. This shape delivers a geometric curve for both hands while keeping the right side straight and reachable. Please note that this version is wired. Performance is reliable, verified users say. It comes with a mouse that can be controlled fluidly with either hand. There are 2 main types of keyboards you should look for if typing comfort is paramount. Keyboards with mechanical switches offer superior key stability and a satisfying clicking sensation, while ergonomically designed boards like the Microsoft Ergonomic keyboard force your arms, wrists, and hands into a position that could help eliminate strain and injury. At number 6. Kinesis FREESTYLE2 Ergonomic. Buyers say they love this left-right separated option. It's connected by a sturdy tether. Move the left and right halves apart to find your sweet spot. The set comes complete with the USB wired keyboard, detachable tether and quick start guide. Verified users say setup is a breeze. Plug and play with compatible Windows versions 7 to 10, Linux, or Chrome. The board features a standard Windows setup. It has hotkeys and multimedia keys as well as the full roster of shortcuts. You don't need any special software or hardware with this model. Verified reviewers say they get less stress fatigue on fingers and wrists when they use it. For more information and price, check out the product links in description underneath the video. Halfway of my listed number 5. Odesso PCK 208B. This model has an ideal shape for where your hands naturally lie. It's left-right angled, the setup most often recommended by professionals. Number and power keys are straight to follow the natural reach of your hand. This too-high keyboard stands a little taller than some models. It curves ergonomically into an extra wide palm and wrist bar. Verified reviewers say their wrists stay at a natural angle, with less strain. There are 105 keys for the complete home, office and media experience. It's wireless, which makes it convenient to store, tote and use when you're on the road, verified buyers note. Coming in at number 4 of my list, Beastron Gaming. The gamer in your life will absolutely love this keyboard, according to enthusiastic reviews. It has 104 keys, including 19 non-conflict anti-ghosting keys for an uninterrupted experience. It features an adjustable rainbow backlight to make things even more fun. It has 3 full backlight effects, 7 colors and adjustable LED brightness. The multimedia shortcuts are easy to reach. There's less strain from reaching, according to verified users. The cushioned wrist rest keeps you at a natural angle to keep you comfortable. Verified reviewers also like that the Beastron is durable. At number 3. Microsoft Sculpt. Verified users like that this is just like the original Microsoft Ergonomic, but with some pretty solid upgrades. Microsoft uses the traditional split design meant to make computer users more comfortable. Because it isn't all about the fingers, this model has a padded palm support bar. Hands are held in a neutral wrist-to-hand position for less strain. Purchase with or without the mouse, but based on enthusiastic reviews, we think you'll want it included. The mouse has an ultra-sensitive sensor and is responsive, users say. The keyboard features ACE technology. The Doe mark is a natural fit for any adult, verified buyers say. It also has a Bluetooth USB module and comes with AAA batteries. Coming at number 2. Perixx Periboard 512. This wave pattern keyboard with 3D design comes at a price verified customers say is just right. It's inexpensive enough to have more than one for all of your household or work computers. There's no skimping on performance, however. The keyboard has a left-right split design for a natural lay of the hands. Buyers say the keys have a responsive easy touch. When set up, the keyboard sits higher than some models. Verified reviewers say that makes for a straighter hand to wrist. They use it for the office, home or for problems such as carpal tunnel syndrome. The 512 is compatible with Windows 7 to 10. It has a wired USB with 2.0 connection. You also get a generous 6 feet of cable, which verified reviewers say is just right. And number 1. Kinesis FREESTYLE2. Verified buyers say this might be the coolest development in keyboards they've seen so far. While many keyboards are now left-right split, this one allows you to separate the sides as well. Push the sides flush together or separate up to 20 with the linking cable. You get the ideal separation for your own hand and finger size, reviewers say. Built for the Mac, the FREESTYLE2 has all the appropriate hotkeys, multimedia keys and shortcuts. Verified buyers say it's a seamless transition from other Mac keyboards. Your purchase comes with the board, 120 linking cable, detachable pivot tether plus a quick start guide. Setup is simple, buyers say. It's plug and play with no special hardware required. For more information and price, check out the product links in description underneath the video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the like button.